Hi, so it is Monday, March 20th, and I forgot to press record, and then I tried it again, and I forgot to press record again, or somehow it didn't work. So we're trying this for a third time. Today, I'm just going to go quickly through what you need to do this week. Let me share my screen and go through it. So I prefer, you can go to the calendar and it will show you each day. Make sure that you're not just clicking on the assignments. You need to go to the agenda for each day. So here's today's agenda. We're doing lesson 11.06. We're reading through the lesson today. You don't have to submit anything today because the assignment for this one is going to be your writing that's due on Thursday. Then you have specials. Then you come into the math lesson. And I really need the kids who did not talk to me last week for assignment 10.06 to come in today and meet with me one-on-one so that we can talk about how you're doing it in math and talk about area and volume. So that's Javier, Sophia, Halame, Liam, Hunter, Jax, Lauren, Luis, and Sasha. I need to meet with you guys today. I've met with everybody else, and then you could submit 10.06. 10.07 is kind of different than what you've done. It's a 4-day project where you're doing a few problems each day. Make sure you're working in a dark colored ink pen so that I can see your work if you're working on paper. If you're not working on paper and you're doing it online, make sure you use Kami and you show me your work. And even if you're using a separate tab to do the calculations, please write down what dimensions you're multiplying. So like if you're multiplying 2 times 3 times 8, even though you do it on a different site, make sure you write down the 2 times 3 times 8 equals blank so that I can see where you go wrong if you're making mistakes. We're going to do problems 1 through 4 today, and then we'll do some different ones tomorrow, and the next one's the next day, and we'll finish it up on Thursday. On Friday, we'll play math games. Zoom for read aloud, and today's writing is page 9 of assignment 1105, which is the revising, editing, publishing, writing lesson. There's another revising lesson in 1106 today. Zoom for Love of Reading book club and a content lesson. We're starting a new mod 11 on climate this week. And then the Untitled book club at 2:30. Remember that you can also go to our homepage and look at the whole week to make sure you've got everything done. So if you go to our homepage right now, it's got our glow stick dance from Friday that we did that you can watch. And it's got a spring conference letter for families that I sent out. Make sure that you chat with your parents about that. We pushed really hard for everybody to come to the conferences in the fall because we hadn't met with you yet and we wanted to get to know your families and you and make sure we got a good start. At this point, I'm in touch with you guys a lot. When there are problems, I usually contact your family right away. But if you want to come and celebrate all your hard work with your family, you are welcome to come for a conference, but you don't have to. So it has information on how to sign up for those. And then on the next page, there's the next in-person and the RSVP on that page. And when you click this button up here at the top, we get to read alouds. And finally on this page, we get to all links. And when you click on that, you can get to our weekly agenda at a glance, which I like to use because I like to kind of see everything that's going on. So here it shows you what's happening with Mod 11, and then submitting your assignment. Here's the Mod 11 submission down here. On Wednesday, we'll do a review, and on Thursday, and you don't have to talk to me on this one. You can just do the review, but you don't have to submit it. And then on 1108, it's the end of Mod 11 assessment, and you're done with Mod 11. So that's all tied up neatly for spring break. And then math, here's 1007, the start of the project-based assessment, problems 1 through 4 today, 5 through 7 tomorrow, 8 through 10 on Wednesday, and making sure the whole thing is done and submitted on Thursday so that we can play games on Friday. Got my book clubs coming in this week. And then here we have read alouds and revising, editing, and publishing, submitting your narrative story on Thursday, making sure that's done, and a writer's celebration on Friday. Any student who has not read their writing can read on Friday out loud to the class, and anybody who's done it and wants to do it again can also read on Friday. And then finally at 2 to 2:30, we have our new Mod 11, which is, we've already done Mod 9 on the water cycle, Mod 10 on weather, and now this is climate, which is like the big picture for a particular region. We're going to be doing that one this week. The only thing due will be on Thursday, a quiz. All right, that's pretty much it. And then we have spring break. I'll talk to you guys later.